forgot to say one thing is this is assignment 38. The order of operations that we had the other day, we're going to set it aside and we're probably going to complete it tomorrow. So we're just stacking these up. So it's stacked up and there are 4 of those. So 7 to the 4th. So the next one would be our base number is 3. Who knows to what power? How many 3's are there? 5. And that's it. So if I give you this, you would unstack it like there are a bunch of blocks. So we're going to spread them all out. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. So the next one's going to be 9 to the what? 9 to the what power? 9 to the 3rd. Next one is what? 11 to the 2nd. Next one is 15. How many 15s are there? So it's going to be to the 4th power. We don't have to solve any of these right now. And this is going to be, what's our base number?
100.
100. To what power?
3.
To the 3rd power. Then this is going to be 8 to the what power? To the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 8 to the 6th power. And you, by the way, you never multiply with that exponent. You would have to unstack it. There's 6, 8, and then go 8 times 8 is 64. 64 times 8 is whatever it is, 400 and something. Then 400 and something times another 8. So you just don't go 8 times 6 is 48. You multiply each one of those. Then this one is going to be, the base is 6 to what power?
8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you are correct. Okay. And then the last 2, it is 2 to the what?
7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're going to stack them up nice and neat and just show how many there are. And this one is base 5 to the what power?
5.
To the 5th power. Okay. All right. Then, now you're going to write them in standard form. So standard form is, how many 3's are there? 1. So the answer is just 3.
3.
Now this one's a little bit more difficult. In fact, oh, doesn't that match this one right here?
Yeah.
2 to the 7th. So let's work with this one so we don't have to write it out again. So now we're going to find the actual answer. And there's a couple ways you can do it. You can go 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is what?
8.
Is 8. 8 times 2 is
16.
16. And I'm going to put this down a little bit so you can see it. Okay. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 times 2 is
32.
32. 32 times 2 is
64.
64. And 64 times 2 is 128. So this is going to be 128. Now I could have done it another way. I could have gone, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that little dot means multiplication. I could have gone 2 times, actually I'll do it up to 3. 2 times 2 is 4, and 4 times 2 is 8. And then I could do it again with these here. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8. So I can group them. And then 8 times 8 is 64, and then times the 2. So sometimes if you group them, it's a little bit faster, which is the 128. Then this one is, let's see if we can do it over here. So this is how many 7s? It's going to be 3 of them. So it's 7 times 7 times 7. 7 times 7 is what? 7 times 7 is 49. So let's put 49 times 7. We'll try to use what room we can. And then we'll have to finish that out. 7 times 9 is 63. 7 times 4 is 28. 29, 34. So that whole number is 343. Oh, this is going to be ugly. Some of them we might skip. because they're just too big. I think I need to give you paper. Yes, I think I need to give paper. So let me pause this for a second.